Hasselt, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Belgium's Limburg province, offers a delightful blend of history, culture, and modernity that captivates visitors with its charm and authenticity. This vibrant city, known for its welcoming atmosphere, picturesque landscapes, and culinary delights, beckons travelers to explore its rich heritage and contemporary offerings. Hasselt's historical legacy is showcased in its charming architecture and cultural landmarks. The Virga Jessie Basilica, a stunning example of Gothic architecture, houses the statue of the Virga Jessie, a symbol of the city's religious devotion. The Japanese Garden, an oasis of tranquility, provides a serene escape with its meticulously designed landscapes, bridges, and ponds. The Beguinage, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offers insight into the region's past and the lives of the Beguines who once resided there. Cultural experiences thrive in Hasselt's diverse offerings. The Fashion Museum, Mode Museum Hasselt, celebrates the city's reputation as the capital of taste by showcasing fashion trends, designs, and innovative concepts. The Genever Museum, dedicated to the history and production of the traditional Belgian gin known as Genever, provides a unique perspective into local culture and craftsmanship. Hasselt's culinary scene is a highlight that tantalizes the taste buds. The city's title of a capital of taste is evidenced by its numerous eateries, cafes, and bistros that offer an array of flavors. Visitors can explore local delicacies such as Belgian waffles, chocolates, and traditional Flemish dishes. The city's welcoming atmosphere is amplified by its bustling food markets, such as the Kapermelen Park Market, where fresh produce and artisanal products are showcased. The city's commitment to modernity is reflected in its innovative designs and urban spaces. The contemporary architecture of the city center blends seamlessly with its historical elements, creating a harmonious balance between tradition and progress. The Japanese Garden, designed as an homage to Japanese culture, is a testament to Hasselt's embrace of global influences. For those seeking outdoor adventures, Hasselt's proximity to nature provides opportunities for exploration. The De Wijers region, known as the Land of 1,000 Ponds, offers a unique landscape dotted with ponds, wetlands, and nature reserves. Cyclists and hikers can follow scenic trails that wind through picturesque landscapes, including the Limburg Cycling Network and the Hoge Kempen National Park. In essence, Hasselt is a destination that invites travelers to uncover its diverse layers. Whether you're delving into its history, immersing yourself in its culture, savoring its culinary delights, or simply wandering through its inviting streets, Hasselt promises an enriching and unforgettable journey that captures the essence of Belgian charm and innovation.